Hello, it's Jeanette Beauty and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you my pre-poo routine from start to finish. My hair is in a day 10 wash and go, and the silk scarf and bonnet that you just saw are my favorite two products that I always use to preserve my hair at nighttime. So if I do have a wash and go, all I do is pineapple my hair with a scarf only. I don't use an elastic, and then I'll put my bonnet right on top. And if I don't have a wash and go, say like a twist up, braid out, or any other style, I'll just put my bonnet right on top. Or if I have a style like twist, say at the top half and half, I'll put the scarf on the front half and tie it in the back, and then just put the bonnet right on top. But this is a wash and go, and if I want to revive it, say I want to wear my hair out day 10, all I do is fluff it, add some water to my hair so it's nice and pliable, it's not stiff. But this is not what we're doing today. I'm going to pre-poo my hair. I'm just assessing the health of my hair and scalp. I want to see if there's any flakes in my hair, on my scalp, and just really think how my hair feels. My hair has been feeling really good. I have been pre-pooing my hair a lot lately, so my hair and scalp health is definitely on point. I just want to show you what I do and the oils that I use in my routine, because I just made a video and I posted it yesterday, because pre-pooing is definitely going to assist so many of you out there. I love pre-pooing, and this is why I'm so eager to share one of my favorite tips on healthy natural hair. And even if you are not natural, pre-pooing is definitely going to help with a healthy hair journey. So all I'm doing now is sectioning my hair in quadrants. As I always do, it just really helps me to manage my hair a lot better. And now I'm going to work on the back quadrant. I work from back to front on my hair, so I'm always working in the back first, and then I work my way up to the front. So I'm going to start by misting more water. I love this spray bottle. It just mists the right amount of water on my hair all the time. I really love to apply a lot of water to my hair and also my scalp. Make sure you have a nice moisturized scalp. And I'm going to take this applicator bottle. I love this one because it's easy to pour and it doesn't make a mess. My first oil I'm going to use is grapeseed oil. I really love it. It really helps to nourish and condition the hair and scalp. Then sweet almond oil I love. I'll have all the benefits of these oils down below as well. I'm going to take vitamin E oil, and vitamin E is known to help add moisture and keep that moisture in, and also hemp seed. Very good. It helps to make your hair a lot stronger and have a healthy scalp. So this is just the carrier oils. Now I'm going to add 10 drops of rosemary essential oil. Rosemary is very good, and also a lavender essential oil. Lavender is very good for aromatherapy and just really having a healthy scalp. I want healthy hair, healthy scalp, so I can have a head full of healthy hair. I wanted to point out two things really quick. For my oils, I'm always switching it up. Sometimes I only use one, and other times I may use several different oils, because carrier and essential oils have so many different benefits to them, so many vitamins, minerals, and nutrients. So I really want my hair and scalp to benefit from all of that, so I always switch it up. And the measurements, because I know what each oil brings to the table, I know about how much oil I want to apply. But when it comes to the essential oils, I do not apply any more than 15 to 20 drops for the whole entire bottle. So now when it comes to my pre-pooing, as you saw, I sectioned my hair into the subsection, and then I misted it with warm water. Warm water is really going to help allow the oils to penetrate into your hair. Then I applied the oil. So you saw how easy it was for me to apply the oils with the applicator bottle. It does not make a mess, and I can really get it onto my scalp and down the length of my hair. I like to work the oils with my fingers first, and then I'll use this wide tooth comb just to make sure that the oils are penetrating into my hair strands as they should, to make this treatment a lot more effective. And I'm going to show you several more times. I'm going and misting my hair with warm water. I'm telling you, warm water is really going to help your products penetrate into your hair so much easier. And then I am using this wide tooth comb just to make sure that my hair is tangle free and that products can really penetrate into my hair a lot better when it is tangle free. I'm applying my oil concoction down the length of my hair, also on my scalp, and making sure that my hair is tangle free, also that the oils are worked in my hair nice and well. And when I'm pretty satisfied, I just put a little bit more oil on my hair and also my scalp and work it in, and then I'll comb it again with a wide tooth comb just to make sure that everything is really worked in. And then I am going to twist that subsection of hair so that the oils and moisture retain in my hair. I use my favorite Rattail Comb just to make sure that the ends of my hair are nice and smooth, because I don't want any rough or jagged ends. This has really helped me, especially my styles. I don't get any frizzy ends, and that's really good when I have my twist outs and wash and goes. I don't want any frizzy ends, and just smoothing my hair with the Rattail Comb really helps make sure that my ends are nice and smooth. So pre-pooing is very easy. Once you get the hang of it, it's like second nature to you. You just really mist your hair with warm water, making sure that your hair is nice and moisturized. You can detangle with the wide tooth comb at this point, or just really work the water in your hair with your fingers. Make sure you put the pre-poo on your scalp down the length of your hair, and also work the pre-poo in your hair with your fingers, and you can use a wide tooth comb, really making sure that your pre-poo is being accepted into your hair very well. And once you feel that the oils are penetrated, your hair is nice and healthy, then you could twist it. For me, I just make 3 twists per quadrant, and you'll see several more times how I pre-poo my hair. And I have 2 juicy twists right here, and this is definitely what you want. Now that I have finished twisting this quadrant with the oils in it, my hair, it feels so smooth, so healthy, so moisturized. They're just so juicy. My hair is very healthy with these 3 juicy twists. You can also see the bottom of the twist. My hair is curling, which is another sign of healthy hair. I just applied a little bit more oil because I love saturating my hair with products, and then I'm just going to clip the twist up and out of the way. Fast forward to this last quadrant in the front. I do have a small area of hair that was thinning due to stress, but it's definitely growing back a lot healthier now thanks to pre-pooing. So if you're experiencing the same or even a dry patch of skin, I would highly recommend to focus the pre-poo on that affected area, massage it really quickly, and then continue pre-pooing your hair. It's really going to help tremendously. Now look at how hydrated and moisturized my hair is. is. My curls are popping, they are coming through. This is why I love pre-pooing my hair. My hair has just been so much healthier ever since I started pre-pooing my hair a lot more consistently. My hair has just been thicker, fuller, it just looks better, it's just more full of life, able to retain moisture so much easier. I mean, the list goes on and on and on. I love pre-pooing my hair. Now that I have my pre-poo applied to all 4 sections, I am going to give myself a nice scalp massage. Now this is really going to help intensify this treatment, especially with your scalp, just getting that circulation going, getting that blood flow going. This is really going to help, and this also really helps assist with longer hair. So if you want that nice healthy growth, scalp massages are going to help. After my scalp massage, my scalp feels so good, and I can still feel my scalp tingling in a good way. So now I'm ready to go on to the next step, which is to apply my shower cap. Now I like to leave my shower cap on for about 25 to 30 minutes because my hair's health is really good. I just want to maintain the overall integrity of my hair, so I don't leave it on for too long. But if you want to, you can leave it on for an hour, 2 hours. Say if you're going out to run errands, even sit under the hooded dryer for 20 minutes. Also, you could sleep with the shower cap on overnight, but make sure you have your hair protected so the oils don't seep out. But I like to check my social media handles while I am waiting. I love interacting with you. It is always nice to see what a lot of you have to say. But after my 30 minutes, I'm ready to rinse the oils out. I just love squeezing my hair and these twists through the bag. It just feels really good. And look how soft, moisturized, and hydrated my hair is. My hair just feels so good. I'm going to unravel the twist and just look how my curls revert. It really took shape to these twists in that 30 minutes. And I always pre-poo anytime that I try new products in my hair, which I did. But just look at my hair. It really took shape of the twist, and it also felt very, very smooth. And here's a close-up of how my hair looks after I unravel the twist from the other side. And my hair, it just feels so good. It's so moisturized, so hydrated. This is really how I'm able to retain the length, because many of you have noticed my hair is growing. So this is definitely one of the reasons why. But after I have unraveled the twist, I'm just going to rinse the oils out with lukewarm water. I rinse about 90% of the oils out before I shampoo my hair. After I have rinsed my hair with water, here is how it looks, and it just looks really good. My hair is nice and infused with all the vitamins, minerals, and nutrients from the different carrier oils and essential oils. And I just continue with my regular wash day routine, like shampooing my hair, also conditioning my hair, and doing a deep condition treatment. I do all 4 on wash day, and it has really helped me maintain healthy hair. And of course, after I apply my deep conditioner, I put a shower cap on to intensify the treatment while I take my shower. And after I rinse it out, my hair, it typically feels really good, especially on a good wash day. But I just love doing all 4 of these. I always do a treatment, I shampoo, I condition, and deep condition my hair on wash day. It has really helped to keep my hair nice and healthy. And to get the excess water out of my hair before styling, I just use a cotton t-shirt. I really hope that you enjoyed this video and learned a few tips, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!